So I'm in a 2012 Nissan Altima, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So open the driver's side, we'll pop down. You should see a hood release here that will pull, and that should open the safety up there. If this is just completely loose, you might want to check behind for this cable. There should be a cable attached here. If you don't see that, you might need to address that. But now we'll go to the front, and it should be loose enough now. We can stick our fingers under here. So there's a lever here. I'm going to push and lift. So push and lift. And there's an arm here that we can use to help hold the hood up as well. So this now arm is holding it. This is what that lever looked like. So make sure nothing's bent or broken. No debris stuck in here that needs cleaned up. If it's sticking a lot, you might need to spray some WD-40. And here's where it's hooked onto. Then make sure nothing's bent. Make sure your hood's in proper alignment as well, so if this is crooked, that could cause you issues. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.